We're here at the world-famous Shriner on the Green restaurant, where we've replaced our usual full-bodied, full-flavored coffee with low-curd cottage cheese. Let's see if the owner, Will Shriner, can tell the difference.
Why, it's delightful. It's delicious, it's smooth, it's creamy. Oh, I love it.
Mr. Shriner, that's cottage cheese.
Well, it's magnificent. Delightful. Magnifico.
Shriner on the Green, the first name in fine restauranting for those with discriminating taste buds.
Daddy, please.
Guess who's coming to dinner? Today with Will's guest, a man who loves supper, Jerry Seinfeld. A man who ate too much, George Wallace. Appetizing Arlene Sorkin of Days of Our Lives. Jimmy Brogan eats like a bird. Putting your best fork forward with etiquette expert Marjabelle Stewart. Breakfast anytime. We'll turn up the heat. Shriner.
Come on this way. Thank you very much. Hello there, and welcome to our second installment of My Dinner with Will. What an audience.